Hello students, now let us try to understand energy level diagram from molecular orbital. Okay, so what are the energy level diagram, student, according to molecular orbital theory that we are going to study? The relative energy of molecular orbitals depends upon the following two factors. First factor is the energy of atomic orbitals combining to form molecular orbital. So that is, firstly it is depending on the energy of atomic orbital, and secondly the extent of overlapping between atomic orbital. So second point is extent of overlapping. The greater the overlap, the more the bonding molecular orbital, lower the and lowered, the greater the overlap, the more the bonding orbital is lowered. More the bonding orbital is lowered, an anti-bonding orbital is raised in every relative atomic orbital. So what they are saying, that is bonding molecular orbital, whatever the bonding orbitals are there, its energy will be lower and anti-bonding orbital energy will be raised. For example, the extent of overlapping in case of sigma orbital is more than that in the pi orbital. Consequently, the energy of sigma 2p jet is lower than the energy of bonding pi 2px and pi 2py molecular orbital. Now, 1s atomic orbital of two atoms form the two molecular orbitals designated as sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. The 2s, 2p orbitals, 8 AOs and on two atoms form 4 bonding molecular orbital and 4 anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so 1s is there or 2s is there, they are combining. Here what they are saying is, student, the 2s and 2p orbital, 3p orbital and 1s orbital, 2s 2p orbital, that is that is 8 atomic orbital on the atoms form 4 bonding and 4 anti-bonding molecular orbital. So bonding molecular orbital sigma 2s, sigma 2pz, sigma 2px, sigma 2 pi 2px, pi 2py. Anti-bonding sigma star 2s, sigma star 2pz, pi star 2px, pi star 2py. The energy level of these molecular orbitals have been determined experimentally by spectroscopic method. The order of increasing energy of molecular orbital obtained by combining 1s, 2s, 2p orbitals of the two atoms are. So order is there: sigma 1s, sigma 1 star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma 2, sigma star 2s, sigma 2pz, pi 2px equal to pi 2py, pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py, star equal to is sigma star 2pz, energy increasing order. However, experimental evidence for the some diatomic molecule have shown that above sequence of energy level of molecular orbital is not correct for all molecules. For example, the homonuclear diatomic molecule, second row elements such as lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, sigma 2p jet molecular orbital is higher energy than pi 2px and pi 2py molecular orbital. So the order of molecular molecular orbital for these molecule are sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py, sigma 2pz, pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, sigma 2pz. So this is the increasing order. But the molecule O2 onward, O2F2, the first order of energy is the correct. Okay. Thus, for diatomic molecule of second period Li2 Ne2, there are two types of energy level of molecular orbital are shown. For molecule Li2, Be2, B2, C2, N2 molecule, orbital energy level diagram is shown. On the other hand, for the molecules O2, F2, Ne2, molecular orbital energy level diagram shown. So let us see, student. The main difference between the type 2 type of the sequence for that molecule O2, F2, Ne2, the sigma 2pz molecular orbital is lower energy then the pi to px and pi to py molecular orbital, while in the case of Li2b2 c2 n2 sigma 2pz molecular orbital have higher energy than pi to px and pi to py. So let us see for what molecular orbital energy level diagram for Li2 b2 b2 c2 and n2. So what are their students? These are the atomic orbital. Atomic AO. This is also AO. So they are forming and they are forming molecular orbital. So 2s combining sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Then 2p is combining pi to px is equal to pi to py sigma 2pz, and pi star to px pi star to pi. Here is a no upward, there is no change. Here only change is coming in this area only. So you see that one. Here is the these are the same. Here only change. Sigma 2pz is lower energy, but here sigma 2pz is higher energy. So that is energy level diagram. If you want to see molecular orbital energy diagram for O2 F2 Ne2, it is there, students. This is the sigma 2pz is lower energy than pi 2px and pi 2py. Okay. The main reason for the difference in sequence in the interaction of 2s to pz atomic orbital for the molecules Li2, Be2, C2, N2, the difference in energy of 2s to pz orbital is small and therefore they can interact, while the energy of 2s to pz orbital O2F2 Ne2 large, therefore they cannot interact. The discussion is beyond the scope of present book. So in this this discussion is not there, student. Why this is lower energy in case of oxygen. In case of oxygen, fluorine, neon, sigma 2pz is the lower energy than the pi 2px and pi 2py. This is not in syllabus. Similarly, here is in the case of B2 C2 N2, the in sigma 2pz is having higher energy than pi to px and pi to py. We will study in the letters.